What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing a new product that we are going to unbox and then do a little review. This product is Nova hair dryer. It's a mini hair dryer. You can travel with it and all that. It's very small, but it's very effective as well. So this is a Nova hair dryer. As you can see on the box, it is 1400 watt. 1400 watt. Before I open the box for you to see, if you are in Ghana, you can purchase this at jumia.com. You can purchase this at Jumia. So I'll leave the link in the description box so that if in case you want to get some, you buy it. Okay, if you are wondering why I have a paper here, we are going to do a drought test with it. I'll wet the paper and then we see how fast or quickly the dryer can dry the water from the paper. And this is our water we are going to use. All right, so let's get into it. Let's open this. There's not much inside the box. It's basically the dryer itself. This is the dryer. This is the back of it, and this is where the air blows out from. Yes, and there's a kind of cap in it. You use it on the tip of it. So we'll dive into it shortly. Okay, so these are basically the things inside the box. There's nothing more inside the box, as you can see. Yeah, so let's get on with it. This dryer actually has 2 speed, and then it's a 1400 watt, which is, I think it's quite okay. Nova. So there isn't much to talk about this product. Yeah, there isn't much to talk about, but I just want to show you how fast it can dry your hair. How fast it can dry your hair. So we'll dive into the test, yeah, right away. So all you do is the handle is this way. You just hold it, then you pull it back 1, and then you pull it back again 2, and now you have your dryer in your hand this way. You have it in your hand this way. Yes, so this is how it will work. All right, let's dive into testing this right now. Before we go there, you put this cap on it this way at the tip. Yes, so it is locked in. Now I'm going to plug this to a power source. I'm going to plug it to a power source. Yes. All right, it is plugged into a power source. Now this is how it works. This is the power, the switch for it. When you go down, this is the first speed. And this is the second. The second blows more heat than the first. but it looks as if the first has a higher speed, like the noise is higher than the second one, but the second one actually creates more heat than the first one. Alright, so let's wet the paper and then see how well it can dry. Let's put this here, take our water. I'm actually going to use the phone as a timer, a stopwatch, to see how long it takes for it to dry. Alright, so let's sprinkle water on the paper. Yes, to get it to soak, let's use our hand on it. Yeah, this is cool. Okay, alright, so let's open this up. Alright, so this is our stopwatch. Let's put it here so that we can all see. Okay, so our paper is wet. I want it to soak the water. Okay, so this is it. It's very wet. We can all see that. Yes. All right. Okay. So now that our paper is wet, I'm going to start the timer and we put it on. I'm actually going to use the second speed. Yeah, that is where the heat is very strong. So let's start the timer and then I'm going to click both at the same time. Let's go. 4 minutes. 4 minutes, and then it's dry. Let's see. Alright. Let's stop this. Okay, so guys, exactly 5 minutes. The paper is completely dried. You can see no water on it. It is completely dried, and it's just 5 minutes. So if you ask me, I would say this is very good. Yeah, it's pretty good and very small. Yeah, you can just travel with it anywhere. Yeah, it's very small, and then it weighs very less. The weight is very low, you know. It doesn't weigh that much. Sorry. It doesn't weigh that much. So that is pretty much it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do, so that I do more unboxing and then review. Yes, and if you want to buy this, I'll leave the link in the description. But this is for Ghanaians. Yeah, that is if you are only in Ghana. Yeah, it's from Jumia. If you are in Ghana, you can buy it, but if you are outside Ghana, I'm not sure you can get it here, because they can't deliver to you. But unfortunately, it's just for only Ghanaians. Yeah, but if you're in your country and then you want to get some, yeah, it's cool. Nova, just Nova mini hair dryer. Nova mini hair dryer. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and then turn on the notification icon so that you get notified each time I post a new video. Peace.